Welcome to Söderköping, the eastern gateway of the Yota Canal, opened in 1832. Each day, dozens of boats transit through its historical locks. First up, we're watching boats go up and down like my emotional stability on a Monday. These locks built in 1800s and yes, still slaying. People literally just sit here and watch boats like it's Netflix, and honestly, I get it. Okay, now we're going to burn some calories because we're hiking Ramon's Burian. Yes, girlies is giving main character montage with sweat. This is low-key a workout, but nature's pretty and I'm committed. We're calling it gentle cardio with scenic rewards. This is why you do it. The whole town, the canal, the forest, it's giving peaceful. It's giving main character on a healing arc. Hi, music please. Okay, so here we are at Smultronstället, the legendary ice cream spot in Söderköping that everyone's hypes up. Well, they got sundaes so big they look like a wedding cake with a side. But then we saw the prices and our wallets were like, access denied. So instead, we found a budget-friendly body cone that still hit the spot. It's giving broke, but resourceful. Moral of the story, you don't need that 200 crowns sundae to live your best Söderköping life. Just vibes, sunshine, and a little ice cream that didn't wreck your bank account. Delicious, iconic, financially responsible. Next, so we hit up this tiny mall, right? Just vibing. Then I saw this plushie and was like, hold up, why does low-key look sus? I turned it around and, well, it was just a boba tea. Not what my dirty mind thought. I need to chill. Then boom, this river shows up like I swear the crocs there are spilling tea. And once an artsy introvert just minding his business. And what is this? Then there's some just random guy who's dead inside. Honestly, I'm here for the chaos. Weird rivers. So we stopped by Sankt Laurenti Kyrka in Söderköping, aka one of the oldest churches in Sweden, and it's seriously giving Asian aesthetic meets Gothic drama. This place has been around since the early 1200s. Yes, that's not a typo. And it was actually a pretty big deal back in the day. Like, Swedish kings were crowned here. Royal core. I'm going to shut up for the meantime and let you admire this church in silence. Wait a minute. This is giving such mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all? Eller hur? And next to it, this super dramatic black wooden bell tower, just chilling like it's in a horror movie, but make it Scandinavian minimalism. It looks low-key haunted, but also kinda iconic. Not connected to the church building, just doing its own thing like the emo sibling who shows up in a party. It was built separately to protect the church from catching fire if lightning struck. Smart moves, medieval engineers. Oh, and the trees? Yeah, they literally have wooden storybooks hanging from them. This place said, "Once upon a time." So the stories are written in Swedish, so it gave me an opportunity to practice, to flex my reading comprehension in Swedish. From medieval churches to quiet canals and storybook trees, grand ice cream, Söderköping is basically a real-life bedtime story. No notes, just vibes. And just like that, the fairy tale ends until I find the next random Swedish town that looks like a Pinterest board. Any suggestions? Any suggestions are welcome. And thank you for watching. For more travel inspiration, please like and subscribe. Bye!